If your car's been acting strange lately, stalling out of nowhere, struggling to start, or just feeling sluggish, you might be dealing with something more serious than just bad gas or a dirty air filter. One of the most overlooked but critical components in your vehicle is the fuel pump, and when it starts to fail, it doesn't always scream for attention. Sometimes, it whispers, quiet symptoms that creep in slowly, until one day, your car just won't start. In this video, we're breaking down 6 real-world signs that your fuel pump might be on its last legs. No fluff, no jargon, just clear, simple explanations that could save you from a breakdown, a costly repair, or even a dangerous situation on the road. Let's dive in. 1. Engine sputtering at high speeds. Imagine you're cruising down the highway, everything feels smooth, and then suddenly, your engine starts to sputter. It's like the car hiccups. You press the gas, but it doesn't respond the way it should. This is one of the earliest and most common signs of a failing fuel pump. Here's what's happening. At higher speeds, your engine demands more fuel. A healthy fuel pump delivers that fuel consistently and at the right pressure. But when the pump starts to wear out, it struggles to keep up. The result, inconsistent fuel delivery, that causes the engine to misfire, hesitate, or sputter, especially when you're accelerating or driving fast. This symptom often gets ignored because it's intermittent. The car might drive fine one day and act up the next, but if you notice this pattern, especially during highway driving, don't brush it off. It's your car's way of telling you something's wrong beneath the surface. 2. Trouble starting the car. Let's say you get into your car, turn the key, and nothing. Or maybe it cranks for a long time before finally starting. This could be a sign that your fuel pump isn't building enough pressure to send fuel to the engine. When you start your car, the fuel pump kicks on immediately. It pushes fuel from the tank to the engine so combustion can begin. If the pump is weak or failing, it might take longer to build that pressure, or it might not build it at all. That's why you get long cranks, delayed starts, or no start at all. Now, this symptom can overlap with other issues like a bad battery or starter. But here's a quick tip. If your car eventually starts and then runs fine for a while, the fuel pump might still be working, just not efficiently. It's a slow decline, and catching it early can save you from being stranded later. 3. Loss of power under stress. Ever tried driving uphill and felt like your car was struggling more than usual? Or maybe you were towing something and the engine just couldn't keep up. That loss of power under stress is another red flag. When your car is under load, like climbing a hill, accelerating hard, or pulling weight, it needs more fuel. A healthy fuel pump adjusts to meet that demand. But a failing pump can't deliver the extra fuel needed, so the engine starts to bog down. You'll feel it as sluggish acceleration, poor throttle response, or even stalling. This symptom is especially dangerous because it can happen during critical moments, like merging onto a highway or overtaking another vehicle. If your car feels like it's gasping for air during these situations, it might actually be gasping for fuel. 4. Engine stalling at idle or while driving. Stalling is one of the most frustrating and alarming symptoms of a bad fuel pump, and it can happen in 2 ways, while idling or while driving. If your car stalls at idle, it means the fuel pump isn't maintaining consistent pressure when the engine is running at low RPMs. If it stalls while driving, especially at random speeds, it's a sign that the pump is cutting out intermittently. That could be due to overheating, worn out components, or electrical issues inside the pump. What makes this symptom tricky is that it often mimics other problems, like a bad ignition coil or clogged fuel filter. But here's a clue. If the car restarts after cooling down, the fuel pump might be overheating. That's a classic sign of internal failure. Stalling isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous. If your car stalls in traffic or at an intersection, it puts you and others at risk. So if you've experienced this even once, it's worth investigating. 5. Whining noise from the fuel tank. This one's easy to miss unless you're really paying attention. A healthy fuel pump is relatively quiet. You might hear a soft hum when you turn the key, but that's about it. A failing pump, on the other hand, can start to make a high-pitched whining or whirring noise, especially when the car's running. This noise usually comes from the rear of the vehicle, near the fuel tank. It's caused by worn bearings, poor lubrication, or internal damage inside the pump. Think of it like a fan motor that's struggling to spin. It gets louder as it works harder. Now, not every noise means trouble, but if the sound is new, persistent, and gets louder over time, it's worth checking out. Mechanics often use this clue during diagnostics, especially when combined with other symptoms. 6. Decreased fuel efficiency. Here's a symptom that hits your wallet first. If you've noticed that your car is burning through fuel faster than usual, the fuel pump could be to blame. A failing pump can cause inconsistent fuel delivery, which throws off the engine's air-fuel ratio. That leads to inefficient combustion, meaning your engine has to work harder to produce the same power. The result? More fuel burned, less mileage. This symptom is subtle and often blamed on driving habits or seasonal changes. But if your fuel economy drops suddenly and you haven't changed your driving style, it's time to look under the hood. Keep in mind, decreased fuel efficiency can also be caused by things like dirty injectors or a faulty oxygen sensor. But when paired with other signs, like sputtering, stalling, or hard starts, it points more clearly to the fuel pump. 7. Sudden surges in speed without pedal input. One of the more confusing symptoms of a failing fuel pump is when your car suddenly accelerates without you pressing harder on the gas. It feels like the engine is surging forward on its own, then settling back down. This isn't just unnerving, it's a sign that fuel delivery is fluctuating. Here's why it happens. A worn-out fuel pump can send inconsistent pressure to the engine. Sometimes it overcompensates, flooding the engine with more fuel than needed. That causes a temporary surge in power, followed by a drop when the pressure normalizes or dips again. These surges are usually brief, but they can be dangerous if they happen in traffic or during tight maneuvers. If you've ever felt your car lurch forward unexpectedly, especially at steady speeds, don't ignore it. It's not just a glitch, it's a warning. 8. Difficulty climbing hills or maintaining speed. We touched on power loss earlier, but let's go deeper into how fuel pump failure affects uphill driving. When climbing a hill, your engine needs a steady stream of fuel to maintain torque. If the pump is weak, the fuel supply drops just when the engine needs it most. You'll feel this as sluggish climbing, frequent downshifting, or even the transmission hunting for gears. In automatic cars, it might feel like the car is confused, revving high but not gaining speed. In manuals, you'll find yourself downshifting more often just to keep momentum. This symptom is especially common in older vehicles or those with high mileage. If your car used to climb hills effortlessly and now struggles, the fuel pump could be losing its edge. 9. Fuel pump failure versus fuel filter blockage. Let's clear up a common confusion. How do you tell the difference between a bad fuel pump and a clogged fuel filter? Both cause similar symptoms: poor acceleration, stalling, and hard starts. But here's the key difference. A clogged filter restricts flow, while a failing pump struggles to generate pressure. Think of it like drinking through a straw. If the straw is blocked, you can't get enough liquid. If your lungs are weak, you can't suck hard enough. Same result, different cause. Mechanics often start by replacing the fuel filter because it's cheaper and easier. If symptoms persist, they move on to testing the pump. So, if you've already changed your filter and the problems remain, the pump is the next suspect. How to confirm? It's the fuel pump. So, how do you know for sure it's the fuel pump and not something else? One way is to check fuel pressure using a gauge. Most mechanics will do this during a diagnostic. If the pressure is below spec, the pump is likely the culprit. You can also listen for the pump when you turn the key. No sound might mean it's dead. And if your car has a fuel pump, relay, or fuse, checking those can rule out electrical issues. Some modern cars even store error codes related to fuel delivery. A scan tool can reveal these codes and help pinpoint the problem. But here's the bottom line. Fuel pumps don't fail overnight. They wear out gradually. Catching the signs early can save you hundreds or even thousands in repairs. If any of these symptoms sound familiar, don't wait until your car leaves you stranded. A failing fuel pump is one of those problems that starts quietly but ends loudly, with a tow truck and a repair bill. So take action, get your car checked, ask your mechanic about fuel pressure, and if you're handy, consider testing it yourself. The sooner you catch it, the better your chances of avoiding a breakdown. If this video helped you understand what's going on under the hood, hit that like button and share it with someone who drives daily. You never know who might be one stall away from a serious problem. And if you want more practical car care tips, engine breakdowns explained, and real-world advice that actually helps, subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got more coming that'll make you smarter behind the wheel. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, stay sharp, and keep your fuel flowing.